Okay, hiding elements. So this applies to all elements in Revit, and I'm going to use it for the background plan here, but I want to show you how to hide elements and how to recover them. It's very simple. So you just select the element that you want to hide. In this case, it's the background element. And it doesn't matter whether or not it's pinned, because the pin is just about what location it's in. So you select the element, and you can right-click and say Hide in View, and then go to Elements, or category. So if I hide the element, it'll hide that element alone, like a grid line, for instance. I'll do it on a grid line and show you. So I'm going to say hide in view elements, and it hides that one. And notice the dimension didn't break. It just hides the reference dimension for that part. But if I right click and I say hide in view and I go to category, it hides all the grids. Okay, so Control Z to get that back real quick. So what I want to show you here is when you hide one element, for instance, this grid, hide in view, I'm going to hide that one element. If you go and do a bunch of stuff and you hide it and you come back to it like the next day and you're like, oh, I got to get that grid back. I need to pull my window up so you can see it. There's a button at the very bottom that has a little light bulb right there, right here. That says reveal hidden elements. So I click that, and then any elements that are hidden in this view will show up in pink or magenta or whatever this is. So you can select that element, right click it, and say unhide in view, and click elements. Is that clear? And then toggle that back off to get back to reality. Questions? That's the same for all elements in Revit.